After more than 2 years of fundraising efforts and major renovations, Arlington's David M. Brown Planetarium celebrated its grand reopening. A full weekend of events was kicked off by the official ribbon-cutting ceremony on Friday, September 28th.
And I am very, very proud and very, very excited about our ribbon-cutting ceremony this morning. This is a great culmination of a tremendous amount of work that has gone on over the last several years.
The completed improvements to the planetarium reflect a true partnership between Friends of the Planetarium, the community, donors, supporters, Congresspeople, and the Arlington Public Schools. Thank you for bringing us this new state-of-the-art planetarium to our students and community.
By next year, we hope to have in place a comprehensive offering of programs for all K-12 students. Public programs will begin immediately, though, on October 12th. So everyone here could definitely participate in that.
You know, Arlingtonians should be very proud of the person that this was named after. He went to McKinley Elementary, Swanson Middle, Yorktown High School. He was a Navy aviator who could land on the deck of a carrier in the middle of the night. But he was also a flight surgeon and a NASA astronaut. And he perished with the rest of his crew when the Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrated upon re-entry back in 2003.
And for those of us who were privileged to know and work with him, he's fondly remembered. But I believe I can speak for Dave's NASA and Navy colleagues that this planetarium, near where he grew up and was educated, is probably the most fitting memorial for him, in that for now and for decades to come, he'll continue to inspire that next generation of explorers.
Today, we celebrate an amazing achievement when all these individuals and our entire community faced down a challenge and achieved a worthy goal, not only saving this gem of science and education from destruction, but making it better than ever. Well done, Arlington. On this day, we are all friends of science education, friends of inspiration, friends of the David M. Brown Planetarium. Thank you, friends.
May it be filled with children and laughter and learning for many decades to come. Dave would have wanted it that way.